Hey everybody, this is Shadow Dork Soul, and I'm gonna make an unboxing of this Skylanders Trouble Pack with Whirlwind, Double Trouble, and Drill Sergeant. So let's get started with the unboxing. So, got this at Best Buy. They had a lot of them, pretty good. They're stocking up now. Toys R Us, I saw them. They had lots. Like about I think like 6 dozen of legendary Trigger Happy over there, but I didn't buy it. So yeah, and they were in Toys R Us having a sale with the Skylanders. The sale of Toys R Us is buy one, get one 25% off all Skylander figures. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just tearing it apart. Other side. Whatever. So let's get right through it. It's taking a very long time to open this. Oh, there we go. Yes, I have gotten it open. Now I'm gonna make you get a better view of it. Top view. Using a chair. There you go. Here's your Skylander figures. Or I think it's better to do it like this way. Okay. Get my knife out of the way. Put it away. There we have it. The figures. Some instructions that we don't need. So yeah, that's what it looks like when I tear it apart. And here is the important part. Figurine. As usual, you pull this down. Oh wow, okay. So let's get the figures. Oh, let's get the figures out. So that's why I don't like opening these, because it's so hard to get them out, and I'm very careful not breaking these. God, they're so fragile. Oh, God dang. There we go. We get Drill Sergeant. Next one, Double Trouble. What I do most, stop. Okay, what I do most is push it up and try to grab the base, or just pull it out. Or if you're crazy and pull it out, probably you'll break it. And I got him out by doing a flip. Like a boss. So there we have him. Now for Whirlwind. You gotta be careful with this one, because Her wings is in the way, so I'm gonna be super careful. Be super careful. Come on. Oh yeah, and whirlwind is my first air element Skyland, which I'm happy. Third whirlwind. Oh, there we go. So here's whirlwind. There we go. Thanks for watching my videos. Oh yeah, I forgot to call it. Come on. Let's do drill sergeant first. Well, I'm not gonna do it because I'm afraid I'm gonna show the whip close to you. So thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna show the stats of it. I'm just gonna show the stats. Well, I can't do it. I don't have enough time. So there's my figurine unboxing. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.